Hello, how to clean a turbo without removal? To clean turbo geometrics without removing, you can clean if it's stuck. You see, it's going not very freely, so you can clean it with this product. This turbo is from Audi 1.9 turbo diesel, and but it's removed. But you can do it on a car. You just unbolt exhaust, take it to the side. You buy turbo cleaner, and you spray. Take exhaust on the side and spray this in. When you're doing it, it makes a foam, very strong foam, and it cleans the dirt on the turbo geometrics, and you wait like 5 minutes, and then I show you how this will work very freely, very like new. Įjungdavo pauzę. Jau. Now you can see inside. You see not much. And show you how it looks when you spray. It makes foam very, and foam goes inside. In pause.
Yo.
Yo. After 8 minutes, there's a result of this penetrating fluid. Look how this moves. You see, it's easy. It's freely like new. It moves very easy. You see, and before it was stuck. That's it.